Hello, hello. No, there was three before. Anyways, I fixed my microphone, so hopefully it's louder. Alright, Chad, I'd really like a bullish SMT at these 15-minute lows. We'll look for a 5-minute CISD, and then we'll look for an inverse on the 1 minute or the 30-second back on the way up all the way for these highs for Asia. Is that good? No, but unfortunately my setups aren't ICT. Yeah, but we're gonna need more people typing in chat, bro. The people who have one viewer are not talking much. That's not what I said. I said if NQ takes off this low and ES doesn't, I'm gonna go long because it's my SMT setup. All right, Chad. I'll be looking how these how the price reacts once we take out Asia by sell side on NQ. If we get any change in the state of delivery, maybe I'll be looking to come all the way back up here and take out these highs of the AM session. C'est ça tout le monde dit ça à chaque fois. I'll be looking how or if I get any type of trades to the way back up. But you realize you're not talking, you don't have a camera, you're on your phone 99% of the time. Okay, so then get out of the Discord. Let me do it alone, and then you'll complain when you join. Tell me how to do it. Yeah, you can leave the Discord, bro. It's all good. And we don't even have news at 10. I don't know what you were reading. There's absolutely nothing at 10 o'clock. You're looking at Tuesday or Monday, buddy. ES still holding strong and Q still coming down. The obvious target on NQ would be Asia sell side, 542, which lines up with an hourly low. I wouldn't be comfortable taking any longs until we take out Asia sell side. All right, which we just did now. We're still keeping that bullish SMT compared to ES. Any other obvious lows on the 4 hour, the 1 hour? Yeah, the whole chunk of lows on the 15-minute. If you guys are looking at my screen, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lows are a nice chunk of lows that are close to each other as well. Right above bullish for value gaps on the 15. I'm still getting ear pain. I saw a TikTok, I forgot to like it. It was a guy that said that what to follow and then not just follow Forex Factory. There's like 3 channels on like TikTok or a Twitter page or an IG page that people talk about and use a little bit quicker than what it pops up on the internet. Or like things to follow, like Trump is expected to tweet about Iran in the next hour. You know what I mean? Like preemptive news. No, but they could say like Trump is in talks right now with Iran. You know, when they're done talking, there's going to be a post about what happened. Why, if me and you start a conversation, our conversation could last 48 hours. I don't know. The guy just posted videos and pictures, and there's a channel like Daily Mail channel, or whatever, that follows Trump, and writes like he's meeting right now with the Iranian president on a phone call. News to come. And then that's when an hour and a half later, you got that dirty candle dropping back down. I'm just saying it could be an idea. God damn, you're so defensive. I didn't say, I said it could be an idea. I didn't even look into it. I don't know how accurate it is. I don't even know if it's AI what the guy showed. I'm just saying you could look into it. I could look into it. Sorry, not you. Well, yes, has been so strong compared to NQ recently. I hate when they're so uncorrelated. Oh, I didn't even realize we had a new day opening gap that we didn't fill up yet. Wow, we really dropped lower. Not that much though, but yeah, and yes, it's like about half, less than half. Yeah, no, I see, but I was talking about NQ. Sorry, I was talking about ES. But yeah, you're right. NQ, we filled up 75% of the gap. That's a great grape. I'll mark out those 15-minute lows that we're about to go grab. I'll mark them all out. One, two. This one looks good too. Your daily low's at 29.038. Yeah, I see it. I'll mark it as well. I'll take out the other ones that are before. I had two before that. I'll go for the previous day low. So that technically should be a rejection block, right? If you go on the daily chart, that the candle we made on Wednesday the 8th, it took out the low on Friday of June 26th, and it has a big wick. So when people talk about rejection blocks, it's the wick that was used to take out liquidity, right? If I'm not mistaken. Hey, did you see what happened with Alpha? What did they technically do? They just gave out easier to get payout accounts. I saw their premium accounts, and then there was like 25. Yeah, yeah. Apparently, it was over $25 million in payouts. I don't know, a lot of people were complaining. I saw like 9 videos back to back yesterday. That's an ouchie. Yeah, you could refund them on the accounts, but if they worked 5 months to get the accounts and to get a little bit of a payout, they lost all that time, you know? How pissed would you be if you have 3, 4 accounts like that are already you were able to take a payout and you're like, yes, finally my first payout, and you can't even take it. They closed everything down and they'll give you back your $80 you paid for it. That hurts a lot. Hey, France is playing Spain tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Yeah, I know. That's going to be a great game. Because the winner of that is probably going to be the winner of the World Cup. That's actually like a finals match. I don't think we're done going down yet. But I saw like 5 different videos about that. I don't even know which one's true. Some of them showed Patty at 2 million. Someone, yeah, it was all different. You're watching the one that said Patty 800K, right? Yeah, the other videos I saw put him at 2 million and then a 2 million bonus because he choked him out. Which makes the most sense because normally the paycheck you get, if you get a KO, you get double. So the 2 million times 2 million makes sense more. Yeah, we're gonna have a big bearish SMT here. Look at ES about to take out the morning high again. I swear, every time I use ChatGPT for something so like complicated or sophisticated, it always blows my mind how smart they are, or the stuff that they come up with that might never even cross my mind. Like it's insane. All right, big bearish SMT with ES. I don't feel like we're done though, going taking out lows. ES left many lows as well. We'll have to wait and see. Wait, did you go play pickle yesterday? Oh, that's why I was confused when you sent me your the emblem of BO2. I was like, how is he sending me a video but he's not home? No, I know. I said of an emblem, but you were home. It's just you had like that pickleball outfit on Zire what you were wearing. So I thought you went out to go play. Mimi had fun yesterday. She was laughing like crazy, huh? She likes our jokes, me and you. She finds everything so hysterical. What do you mean, sort of? Did you see how much she was laughing yesterday? Mm. Oy. Mm-hmm. I want to see if we hold these for value gaps for continuation to the upside. Wow, my computer's been lagging. It's been slowing down on me. I'm gonna go say good morning to futures floor. I saw he had another algo class. Build your own algo. Have you ever messed around with Claude? That AI thing, Claude? Claude? Me neither, but every time I mention something to someone, they always say how Claude is insane. Hey, I like what Futures Floor did with the Apex trader funding code on his stream. It looks very nice. Ah, he heard me. So I don't know if it's true, but I took a look and it says Friday was the most common day to make the weekly high, occurring in about 31 to 38% of weeks. And Monday is the most common day to make the weekly low, about 30 to 34%. You heard? Me neither. It says Wednesday was the least likely day to make either high or low of the week. No, it says 3,000 NQ sessions from 2014 to 2026. It says a trading view indicator called weekly high low day statistics automatically calculates the percentages from what historical data is on your chart. It works with NQ and ES and other markets. But this is what I said about ChatGPT is so smart. It tells me the problem with most of the studies, what day usually makes this and what day usually makes that. It's like it remembers I do ICT. It says for ICT order flow traders that only scratches the surface. What more valuable questions are like Monday made the weekly low. How often does Tuesday take Monday's high? If Monday is an outside day, what happens to Wednesday? It's like insane what it asks. After Tuesday sweep Monday's low, what's the probability Wednesday becomes the weekly high? Which day creates the expansion leg? Which weekday most often delivers the weekly range? How often is the high of week already in by Wednesday? If Thursdays hasn't taken Mondays, no, you could. It says, would you like me to try to get comprehensive studies regarding these questions? But like it's crazy. Yeah, no. Like, bro, it's crazy. It says since you already trade NQ1 and focus on ICT concepts, I could build you a complete research project using 10 years of NQ data that includes high of week probability by weekday, low of week, Monday profile statistics, Tuesday sweep probabilities, Judas swing statistics, AMD profiles. It's so nice. Expected daily range by weekday, SMT liquidity sweep frequencies, quarterly and monthly seasonalities. Bro, ChatGPT is sick. What did he say? David, he says he doesn't hear you at all on my stream.
I don't know. Maybe he does and he's not realizing it.
No, I hear you now. It's my OBS. It had all three on mute. They hear you now, so not a word of what you said before they heard.
Good. Good. Bro, the dog is howling.
She's probably alone. She wants help.
'Cause I think Mom and Megan went outside. Went on a walk. I don't know what. But she is howling.
They should always bring her now. She's good at being calm, controlled.
They bring her normally.
I swear, now
Maybe
that
they
she's
went somewhere
outside a
else. Who
lot
knows?
more often, she looks happier.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, she uses her little nose a lot more. She's sniffing around all over.
And she actually plays fetch with that ball.
Yeah. I'm gonna play around with ChatGPT later and try to get all those stats and see if anything even correlates to 2025, the last year of data. I'm so curious.
A lot of it's a bit irrelevant though, unless you're like a swing trader, in my opinion.
No, but it can help you form biases, you know?
Yeah, a bit, but then people get married to the bias. You should honestly, bro, you just look at the 1 hour and the daily. Where are we heading, up or down? And then you go on the lower time frames and you're just looking what's being respected, what's being not respected, and what you're sweeping. It's that simple. Instead of people saying, okay, yeah, Monday made low of Monday took Friday's low. That means that we have a 65% chance that Tuesday retraces into Monday's range and continues up. Like, bro, what,
No, I
you're gonna
would use
complicate
it.
yourself for nothing?
No, not like that. I would use it more in in the sense of if Monday went lower, Tuesday made the low of a week. Well, we don't know yet, but Tuesday took out Monday's low, and it says the probabilities of Wednesday being the extreme lower high is like almost slim to none, and Tuesday causes a bullish SMT at Monday's low. I would consider taking a high. You know what I mean? Just to for it to like maybe
Taking
help me
along, you
form.
mean?
Yeah, taking along. Maybe just for it to help me form my bias, or to have a confluence based on stats. I don't really need this. I'm more just curious at like extra knowledge, just for me to read
It's no.
and see if I see it in the markets. I'm not going to use it to back my trade up. I'm actually just curious on what the research says about it. I've been getting a runny nose lately.
My eye burns.
Because you're tired?
Oh, the little button.
Bro, put ice. Listen to me, man. Put ice. Well, not I promise it helps, but me, it really helped.
Who was in along?
Oh my. Wait, you said you were in a long?
No.
Oh, you
I said
scared me,
who?
bro.
I
I
said
thought you
whoever
said,
was in along, bro, pour them.
oh, that's not even nice again.
But it wasn't one shot, so you probably got filled at your stop.
Yeah, I wonder if anybody was in a long there too.
Bro, what is that? Lowered.
Ah, je sais qui s'est fait niquer. Ton boy Ben, il a pris un double. Il a perdu, il est rentré, puis live, il s'est fait niquer.
What did you say?
Ben took a long this morning, got stopped, and then he went long again on the candle at 10:10, and it completely got ran through. And by the way, it didn't even hit his stop. Yeah, goûté.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it went right through it. That's crazy. Je pense au lieu de comme 5 feuilles, il a perdu 7-8. Anybody have Baron's phone number? Maybe he'll let us know beforehand. That's crazy. Well, a lot of people were in longs.
That's insane, man. I saw people writing, I saw people typing and stuff saying that they lost all a month's profits
For this candle or the one last week?
this 1 year too.
Mm. Did you see the one I sent you last week on IG? Bro, I saw
Yeah,
the guy.
everybody got.
He was on a funded account. He was up like 2.2, 2.3K on it, and he was up $700 on the day. So I guess he was going to be eligible for a payout. And that thing completely took out his stop, and he got filled like almost at the bottom, and he got a negative 2.2K day. So went straight back to 50,000. It took out his all of his profit. He went back to 50K on the dot. And actually, to be honest, that blows you because on most of the firms you have 2 to 2.5K, of drawdown, and he ended the day on 2.4. So
Yeah, a lot of people got ran.
yeah, that's crazy. I'm gonna go get Kleenex. I'll be right back. My nose
A
is
lot of people lost
dripping.
their accounts.
Yeah. And again, it happens when there's like a high right next to it. I wonder what news that was now. Ooh, Patty the Batty. TEA, that was phenomenal. And I was having a chat outside with one of my friends right before the fight, and he was saying how Benoit Saint Denis is good on the ground. And I said, "Are you crazy? Do you not know how good Patty the Batty is on the ground as well? He's insane at grappling." And then we watched a fight in the first minute. Patty submits him. Amen to that. Connor, he's completely done. The guy barely looked acrobatic giving that kick in the first 5 seconds. It looked like he even had a little bit of problems doing that, even without the knee. He barely looked acrobatic. Yeah, that was dumb. It was such a gamble for anybody who put money on him.
Yeah, that sucks, man.
Yeah, but you're betting on a guy who sold his company for like $600 million, who was partying, doing drugs, and doing weird shit for the last 5 years. You think 6 months before the fight he was just gonna drop everything, go to go to training full camp, and come back to 100% like he was before? Or not even close.
He's also older now.
Yeah, and he's older. He was probably doing all kinds of partying and drugs and stuff like that. It's hard to come back in and go back to complete great shape. Bro, he threw the leg kick. He looked like a ninth grader trying to kick the top of like a door. He didn't look athletic at all. There was like no speed in it. Bro, Max like laughed at him like what the hell was that? And then he fell.
rumors going around that he was injured before.
Yeah, I saw the rumor saying he was injured before. I don't know. He denies it, and I saw a video of a doctor talking about it, and he said he doesn't look injured before. He says that he sees the that type of meniscus tear when he landed on his foot. Anyways, to be honest, look, it wasn't a horrible night because the fights on that card, a lot of them were great. The Bobby Green fight was insane. The fight after him was insane. The fight before him was insane. The Paddy fight was phenomenal. To be honest, TA, I don't remember seeing that fight. Let me go look at their faces because I don't know that fighter. Ah, I think I know what you're talking about. I think it was the kid with the red shorts. Let me see if I recognize him. Oh, yeah, I do. I recognize him. Yeah, that was a great fight. I remember him. He was wearing red shorts. Yeah, Luke Riley. Yeah, that was a phenomenal fight. Where they were attacking each other like mad dogs. Yeah, that fight was great. I think that was the last one on the prelim, right? Bro, he was good though. That was a great fight. Do you know what fight won the fight of the night?
No.
Oh, I don't know either. Man, I really enjoyed the King Green fight and the Riley fight. Yeah, Green and Patty, they get the performance bonuses because they ended up KOing or submitting. But it says here one fight of the night was Brandon Royval and Loner Kavanaugh or whatever.
No idea who that is.
Yeah, it's I didn't really watch it. That was when soccer was playing, and I kind of avoided that fight. I didn't really watch that one. Anyways, chat, what do we got here? We got NQ pushing up, yes, about relatively still under the 10 a.m. Asia buy side above for ES. It's crazy how we had that manipulation candle at 1016 and now we're pushing back up like with super speed. But these candles come out of nowhere. They must hurt so much. I saw Ben take it and Lumi. Well,
Yeah, some
those
people
types.
get slippage,
Yeah.
horrible slippage, and they lose like 3 weeks of profit.
Yeah.
Instead of losing 1 unit, you can lose like 4 or 5.
Yeah, I saw Gotti saying he risked like 1 to 2% max and he got hit with like 5% or whatever.
Oh, he was risking 0.2% on the trade.
Mm,
I think is what he said. He was risking like 0.3 and ended up losing like 1.5.
poor guy.
I gotta go drop a doozy.
Yo.
You want to see me drop a doozy doozy?
No. I'm okay. But my trading view background is white and I have like these eye floaters and sometimes I can't even see the bottom of the candle if they're equal lower or not. I have to zoom out. You have
I
eye
think everybody
floaters?
goes through the same thing when you have to poop. But you don't want to miss a trade, so you hold it in as long as you could.
Bro, those candles are actually scary. It gives you fear to get into a trade and you don't even know if that's gonna happen while you're in a trade. We'll talk about a bearish trend line, huh? I would like the AM buy side at 29,800 to go grab. We have relatively equal highs up there, and right now we're forming buy side as well. Are you here, David, or you left? I think he left, guys, and he left his phone not on mute with the door open. Took you here double. David?
Oh, I'm here.
I thought you left. Your phone was making a lot of noise.
So did my deuce make me miss something?
Yeah,
Hey,
Mike
deucer,
doesn't, what?
did my deuce make me miss something?
I don't think so, no.
My deucey deucey?
Yeah, Mike doesn't really watch UFC. We always talk to him about it the day after, or he'll ask about the top two last fights, but he doesn't really watch it. I don't believe in anybody feel the way I do about your love. That song is going everywhere now. It's for like England soccer, Paddy the Baddy, Conor McGregor sang it. It's always the wives that are after us. That's not your trade short, right, Dave?
Nope. Oh, I don't believe that anybody.
It's so funny because when Paddy started in the UFC, his fights didn't look too great. He looked like an amateur just beginning. And every single fight he fought since the first one I've seen him, he got better and better every single time. This fight was great, and the one before, I don't know, for me, he looked phenomenal. The way he just fought and moved all around. And what a chin this guy has. I saw him take some massive hits to the head. I'm like, oh my God. And he's still stuck up on his 2 feet. Stayed up, didn't even get like rocked. Entertaining as well. Yeah, that's what I told my boy. I'm like, bro, his jiu-jitsu is nuts. His ground game is very strong. Yeah, he submitted him like a snake. He was even twisting like a snake. crazy. Aidonomics' trades always look so clean in hindsight. He took the inverse at 957 for a 1-for-1. He said there was
Yeah, that's the same as before. A lot of people took that for sure.
an unfilled 5. Did No Skills say something? I don't even see No Skills in here. No Skills is the one who told Benoit Saint Denis if he tried to take him down in the first seconds, he'll get him. All right, what are we respecting here? So we swept here on the 5-minute, closed above, had a little bit of a retrace. I think these highs are obvious to go grab, especially over here on the 5-minute. We have equal highs. That lines up with our 29,800 area. I mean, it would make more sense to continue bullish and going up here for these highs. Anything you see, Dave?
We're reacting off the lower end of the fair value gap, the lowest fair value gap in the displacement leg. For me, the highs are obvious. We should go up.
Yeah,
Just
me
don't have
too.
an entry yet.
They're equal highs on the 15-minute as well.
I don't have a clean inversion for value gap. I don't have a clean institutional order flow entry drill, and I don't have a clean failure swing with displacement.
Did you go to bed late last night?
No, maybe like 30,
You said 11:30.
12:30.
TA, I don't know what you mean by that. Not if you want to read that out loud. The 1025? What you mean by that? Ah, well, if you're looking at it on the, I'm guessing it's on the 5 minute here. No, on the 5 minute, it's at 10:15. Yeah, there was a rug pull at on Friday. I don't know. I doubt he's talking about Friday. You got the one here at 10:15 as well on the 15. Yeah, we got this big black candle this morning. I have no idea what it was, but I saw people that were in longs. It was very fast as well. You barely had time to get out, and some people's stops didn't even work efficiently also. That's 2 days in a row now. That happened Friday, and now that it's happening, it happened again on Monday. I don't even know the news that
Yeah,
was connected to it as well.
it's no news. It's Trump tweeting.
Yeah, but he's tweeting something. News doesn't just come from the news itself.
No, I'm just saying it's not foreseeable news like on Forex Factory.
Hmm. And TA asked you a question, Mr. David.
Predetermined event. I'm doing all right. No, I'm doing good. Honestly, I had a great month in June, but last Friday that 1032 candle really messed me up and took like 2-3 units off my profit. Supposed to be a break-even trade, lost 2-3 units because of a Trump candle and slippage. My charts were frozen. Other than that, I'm doing great. How about you?
Yeah, I just made it out.
But I got lucky because some people lost their entire accounts. Some people lost months of profit. Some people lost their accounts because of a daily loss limit.
Even the drawdown, I went on Instagram that night and every single video I was watching, every single reel was people taking positions and it completely froze and they were freaking out. And like David said, it either blew their accounts, they hit the daily loss limit, it took out like a month or 2 months of profit. And don't forget, people also copy trade. So you don't know if it took out one account or it took out like 5 or 10. That could have been very damaging for some people. And some people really probably suffered that day. Yeah, taking profits early is good, but the issue is what happens if you just entered in that trade and it went up just a tiny bit and you decided to move your stop to break even? No one even got break even. That just completely wiped you. I saw a guy actually posting a video. He was up 2.2k on his 50k account. He was in a trade. He was even up like 600, so he would have been like right there on payout. And the news candle hit, and he ended up the day negative 2.2 or 2.3. But it took out all of his open profits and all of his profits that he had on the account beforehand. But that is so sad to see. Like that's big slippage. He had to stop at break even, and he got negative like 2.3k. He got filled at the bottom.
Yeah, some people got really unlucky.
Yeah. And that's like for full drawdown on a 50K account. Pretty rough, man. Like Trump said, we're gonna keep winning. You're gonna be so fed up of winning. Yeah, my shit froze too. My screen froze. My NQ, my MNQ, and my trader rate completely froze. But I saw the candle drop, like my ES chart, the candle dropped all the way at the bottom. I can even see it on my screen. Then I said, oh shit, why is an NQ doing it? But then I looked and my trader rate and my NQ screen were completely frozen. Then it unfroze and you just saw a big black candle. Who are you with that it didn't freeze? All the videos I saw as well, everyone froze too. I don't know how yours didn't freeze. You got lucky.
Got lucky.
Oh, you were Tradevate a Ninja? Your Tradevate didn't freeze. Mine completely froze. It was like somebody said smile for the camera and Tradevate just decided not to move. Yeah, sometimes your stop loss doesn't matter, but the issue is it works 99.8% of the time. So wouldn't you rather have it there? Just because one day it might not work doesn't mean all the other days. It's like saying my seatbelt didn't work today. I'm never gonna wear my seatbelt again. Screw it. Let's drive quick and never wear a seatbelt. Yeah, I know. There you go. And Q's finally pushing. This is the obvious target on NQ, the 29,800 level. It's equal highs on about the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15. This is the obvious target for NQ. And ES takes the lead. Not ES, sorry, and NQ takes the lead. Where is it here? I was so focused. Sorry, guys. I was looking at something.
I'm telling you, from Friday and today, the prop firms are probably getting so much extra money.
Yeah.
They're probably so happy. Yeah, Trump, tweet, tweet.
Everyone who's in a trade close to payout, everyone who was about to blow their funded. I saw one guy in a short, and to be honest, I don't even know how he had the courage to short when we were coming up bullishly. We had so many highs to go grab. That day overall was bullish, and that candle just completely swept everything. Insane.
If you're never so yeah, it's unbelievable.
So what did you say you were looking at yesterday? You were looking at a vacation in Hawaii?
No, I was just curious to see how much they were.
And was it a crazy amount or did it look normal? Hey D, what's up?
Well, you consider a crazy amount, but compared to like the Dominican and everything, yeah, much more expensive. I think it's like 3.5 on average for a week.
Wow. Yeah, I find that a lot.
Yeah.
It's more than $400 a day.
Yeah, I don't even know what that included. I don't even know what I was looking at.
It was just including the flight. The
Yeah, bro,
flight
flights.
and a free food voucher at the airport.
A free cold egg sandwich at the airport lounge.
Oh, airport food. On our way back from Portugal, we stopped, we had to get breakfast before taking our flight. But it was like $20 for like a croissant sandwich and an orange juice. It's crazy how they just charge whatever price and there's still crazy lines of people waiting.
Yeah, you need food, you need food, you're gonna pay.
Yeah. No AD, no trades yet. No trades at all. Any trades for you, AD? TA, you guys took anything this morning? Anything interesting? Any opportunities you guys want to share? If you guys want to share. What was the idea behind it, AD? And what did you took? Sorry, what did you take? Was it something on the 1 minute?
Did you do?
Bro, that's what happens when you're French and English. My words get
You
mixed
took?
up. Because in French it's
What did you?
t'as pris, you know?
What did you took was hilarious.
A bull flag.
Tell me what you took.
What's the bull flag? Is it here? This little rectangle here and the breakout here? Peanut the squirrel, is that not the squirrel that died or somebody had to put it down or some weird thing? Some story about something like that? But that happened a long time ago. Peanut the squirrel. I feel like it's so familiar, that name.
Yeah, I think it's a scroll that they put down, and then Trump tweeted it was wrong to do it.
That's so sad. Yeah, New York took a YouTube star and killed it. Yo, what's wrong with people? How can you even apply to that job? Yeah, I'm gonna be the person that's gonna put down friendly, cute animals for my job. That's what I want to be paid for. Like, come on. I mean, look, there has to be someone to do it, but
Bro, it's the people who put down like aggressive animals and rabies.
yeah, Peanut the squirrel had like a crazy following and lived peacefully in New York, bro. Let's put that one down. Anyways, I don't know the rules behind it, but apparently it was from like people complaining. Yeah, you said you cannot domesticate wild animals, so they killed it, bro. That's so sad. Was it here? 585? At 10:45? Okay, yeah, I see. I guess this is the handle of the flag, and this was the flag itself in the breakout. 10:45. Chuck the raccoon I never heard of yet. Who's Chuck the raccoon? Do you know Chuck the raccoon, Dave?
Do I know Chuck the raccoon?
Yeah,
No, never heard of Chuck the raccoon.
me neither. That one I haven't heard of.
I know the raccoon. Pedro, 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 Pedro. You know that one?
Yeah. Wait, how do you get 57? Does NQ have a different complete price? 57 what? 1057? Oh, it was both of his animals. It's true. He didn't just have a squirrel. He had a raccoon also. And
Wait,
they took,
what? They killed two?
yeah,
Yo, poor guy. He's probably still heartbroken.
yeah. We were doing content with them every day, traveling with them, living with them, sleeping with them. Then somebody comes and takes them and just kills them. And I think they came into his home while he was not there, so he couldn't even like hide them or even try to do something about it. That's insane. That's cruelty. Maybe 67. Oh yeah, it's 22:57 for you, yeah. Yeah, poor animal. Justice for peanut shirts. I remember they sold t-shirts.
W.
Feel bad. Ah, that's life. Sometimes life is unfair. Honestly, I don't even know how that is possible, but like New York should have been held accountable. How can you go to someone's house while they're not there, break into their front door, take their animals and kill them and say you're domestically keeping in animals? At that point, just throw them back in the wild, no? You guys don't kill moose. Yeah, I know he was hand fed. You cannot just throw it back in the wild, but isn't it throwing back in the wild and let it maybe try to survive better than just killing it? Like, why end its life? It's like saying you were hand fed your whole life, and now somebody tells you instead of you throwing into to the public, we're gonna just lock you up and euthanize you, throw you in the electric chair. Sweet, cute little animals. I actually started feeding my own squirrel. I give him a couple nuts every day, some almonds, some cashews. He comes to the door early morning, and he's sniffing around. He's looking for the peanuts. Yeah, I heard that too. I heard it was a big political thing as well. All right, we're forming some more buy side liquidity. I would love maybe an eternal super, a nice bullish for a bullish SMT, and maybe we could ride it all the way up to the highs at 800 because it's the opportunity. We have a strong bullish trend line as well from the big wick at 1016. The range is getting tighter. Hey Dave, did you see any chance the alternator reactive skin?
Wait, what?
Yeah, and there's a
Yeah.
new alternator reactive skin, like they do it once in a blue moon. That it talks to you. There's like a little bullet that floats next to it, and it talks to you.
I didn't even know.
It was so funny.
Yes, it's pretty ugly today. Just
Yeah.
straight back and forth. She made $1,000.
Oh, Alright, what we doing here, bro? I've been getting a lot of back pain recently. I don't know about you. Hasn't been fun. What's up? Good morning, Pod. Pod, did you watch any UFC this weekend? It's going good. No trades this morning yet. Just keeping an eye out. Yeah, did you watch UFC? The only targets I like right now are buy side. The high up here at 800, I really like, especially that it made equal highs on the 15 minute, on the 5 as well. 10 a.m. open, we took out that 945 low. Also took out Asia. I only see upper targets for now, especially that we're coming up slowly. Yeah, I like the UFC. I used to watch it a lot back in the day. I stopped watching it a little bit in the last year. But when it comes to crazy fights, I like to watch it. I've just been extra busy and I haven't really been spending time watching UFC on Saturdays. But back in the day, I used to watch it every weekend. For a couple of years, I watched it every weekend. Yeah, I'm not a big sports guy as well. The only sports I watch is like when the big events happen. Like soccer for the World Cup, I'll watch. Playoffs in hockey, I'll watch. Yeah, I think that would be even crazier. The no gloves is insane though. I don't even know how people don't die. You're getting people who actually know how to fight, full on straight, powerful punches straight to your dome. I don't know how your skull doesn't crack, the nose break, the jaw breaks. Yeah, they must be insanely strong. Hey, would you be willing to try long if the second candle is green? Especially that we have equal highs above as well.
Oops, sorry, I was on mute. I didn't even realize. No, it's against my highs. It's against my rules. We're consolidating a bit. We don't have three stacked highs. We're not really going in any direction right now. I know it looks like we're going up, but we're consolidating a bit. It's not clean. We slipped already a high on the 15 and internal high and rejected it.
Surprised even Connor took that fight. Why would he even want to fight again?
He doesn't have a choice. He's under contract.
Dana White wouldn't make him fight unless he really needed to pull in some numbers. But he made the UFC what it is. He made it so popular in his upcoming days.
I don't think it's only up to Dana White. I'm pretty sure Dana White has a board of directors. He has investors, and those contracts are big pieces for them, especially when it's a person who brings in a lot of money like McGregor.
I agree. Huge name. I agree. I agree. Ah, Trump is talking right now. What is this nice consolidation? I wonder if this SMT is gonna hold. I have a bullish SMT and it came right into a bullish for value gap on ES. I didn't take anything though. It's against my rules.
Yeah, what is building liquidity on both sides? I don't know where we're gonna go yet.
I gotta stretch, man.
Yeah, July price action hasn't been the best. Been pretty crappy. Crappy. It's been crappy.
I don't see us coming back down from here though. I feel like we should be in a rush going up for these highs. We're forming highs to go grab. We have equal highs. We have the equal highs above also at 29,800. I feel like we still have a lot of highs to go grab. And maybe we leave them for the afternoon. Who knows? Wouldn't be a bad idea. Mike asks if you have the cat on you.
No, cat's not here.
No, cat's not here. What do they call it again when your child's missing and they issue an alert? Ah, issue a missing person's report about the cat.
I'm going down, yelling timber. Oh.
Well, this is slow consolidation. I feel like the low at 1046 should be protected. I don't see why we would have to come back down and sweep.
We're not really going anywhere though, for now. Yeah, Trump is as bad as Powell.
Yeah, I saw he was talking live right now. I opened up YouTube. I saw
I think
the
Trump
channel
does it for
for it.
fun. Hey guys, look, I can make people lose money. Yeah, Iran war is continuing. 500-point drop.
Iran
Yay, peace
war is
agreements.
done.
500-point rise. We're back to war. 500-point drop. No more war. 500-point increase. Bro, back and forth. Powell is crazy though. Powell could say good morning and the markets will pump.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, yeah. Good morning, yeah. Whoa.
He didn't say bad morning, he said good morning. Yeah, it's gonna pump.
You people are the real heroes. Yeah. You know where I got that from?
Hancock, the movie.
No, what's that show you? Oh, Bad Boys.
Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Homelander.
Yeah. You people are the real heroes. We are nothing like the heroes. Scammer gets scammed. Is Grogu watching over you?
He's here. He's looking at me like, are we gonna find something today? I don't know, bud.
All right, Chad, I'm gonna call it quits for the AM session. I'll be back at 1 p.m. There's something I gotta do during the lunch hour, so I'd rather end it here so I can be back for 1 o'clock, max 1:15. So hopefully you guys took any trades that ended up in the green. If not, maybe we'll catch something in the afternoon with me and Dave. I'll see you all later. Thank you guys for joining. 1200, I'm good. Enjoy it, TA. Go swimming. Go tweet. Go tweet something for us in the afternoon. All right, guys. See you guys later, and thank you guys for joining. I'll see you next time.